Hello everyone, welcome to Math is as above so below. In today's video, I'll explain you the basics of factorials. Factorials are a fundamental concept in mathematics, often used in permutations, combinations, and various other calculations. Whether you are a student trying to grasp this concept for the very first time, or someone looking to refresh your knowledge, this tutorial is here to break it down for you in a simple and easy way to understand. So let's start and explore the fascinating world of factorials together. Welcome to my channel for comprehensive tutorials on fundamental principles to complex problems. I'll cover it all. Feel free to share, subscribe for more contents. Thank you. Okay, so begin with I'll be explaining you what does 10 factorial means. 10 factorial means 10 times, 9 times, 8 times, 7 times, 6 times, 5 times, 4 times, 3 times, 2 times 1, which is going to give us a value which is 3628800. When you multiply all these numbers, you will get this value. This stands for 10 factorial. So factorial concept is understood. Now the question is m factorial times n factorial equals 10 factorial. What are the two numbers that can replace m and 7? So let's write down this number 10 times 9, or I will use a point. 10 times 9.8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now these are the numbers. This is the limit of our numbers from where we can choose the value for m and n. So in fact they are asking you that what is the value of m and n. You need to break down 10 factorial. See if we can find out. And those two numbers that are factorials that multiply by each other and give us 10 factorial. There are two factorials product from all the factors of 10 factorial. Both m and n should be less than 10, but it should be between 2 and 9. So this 2 and 9, those should be less than 10, of course. Okay. So let's see what can be those numbers. For example, I am writing m factorial here and 10 factorial. I better write the other way around because this is equals to 10 factorial and m factorial possibilities and n factorial possibilities. We know very well 1 is the factor of every factorial. So 1 is going to be always there. Now 2 is a prime number. Definitely 2 is going to be that for both the factorials. Okay. Now 1 and 2 are gone. 1 and 2 both are gone. So we have a choice from 3 to 9. Now 3 is also a prime number. We can give a liberty to this guy. So 3 is also in the list of the possibilities of the numbers. Now 4 is not a prime number, but remember 4 can be written as this way. So remember, this is going to help us. Okay. Now 2 and 3 is given to m and n. Now comes 4 and 5 remaining. 4 and 5. So 4 should be also given to both of them. Now comes the matter of 5. Okay. Now this one. Now look at this number. We comes to 8 here. Okay. This is 4 times 2. So we have a liberty of taking a 4 from here and 2 is already given. Now 4 and 5 is also out. 3 is already given. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9. From 8 we have already broken down 4 times 2. Now we have 7 and 9. This is a crucial number. Always remember 7 and 9. Now, so 5 and 6 is also given. Now comes to 3. This is actually 3 times 3. I better write down here separately for you to understand. 9 and 7. 9 is a multiple of 3 times 3, and 7 is a lonely number. Now we have all these factorials for m and n possible factorials, but the only different is 7. Now we can give this 7 to either m or n, does not really matter, because multiplication 7 times 6 or 6 times 7 gives you a 42. Now we have these numbers 6 and 7. Now if we just test this, so what we can say is 7 factorial times 6 factorial is equals to 10 factorial. Okay, so the value of m and n is going to be 7 and 6, and that's going to be your answer. This is the neatest and the prettiest way to solve these kind of problems. Wish you all the best, and wait for further uploads that I do in future. Thank you very much for watching, and please do subscribe and share with your friends and the colleagues. Thank you very much once again.